How much heat energy is required to melt 300 grams of iron? Excuse me. How much heat energy is required to melt 300 grams of iron? The enthalpy of fusion of iron is 13.8 kilojoules per mole. So, hindi, wait lang. So, we have here given na enthalpy of fusion na 13.8 kilojoules per mole. And then, meron tayong given na mass, which is 300 grams ng iron. So, since ang equation natin is mole, co-convert natin yung 300 grams of iron into mole. So, ito ang working niya. This is our formula. So, meron tayo working equation na 300 grams of iron times 1 mole, and then ano ang kanyang mass, which is 55.845. So 55.845. Ngayon, times, since nakuha na natin yung mole, meron naman tayong kilojoules. Tandaan, kilojoules, times natin siya sa 13.8 kilojoules per mole. So here, 300 divided by, so we have here 300 divided by 55.845, we have 53. Then times natin siya para makancel to yung grams. So we have now mole. Ta-times natin siya sa 13.8 kilojoules para makancel naman yung mole. Just mole and mole. Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na 74.1 134. Pwede siya 134, ganyan. I-round up na natin siya. Kilojoules. Since given nga naman na siya ay in kilojoules, so, ito na ang ating heat. So, next tayo. Ngayon, meron tayong 20 grams of NaCl is dissolved in 500 ml of water. In a coffee cup calorimeter, the temperature of the solution increases from 35 degrees Celsius to 40.8 degrees Celsius. Calculate the enthalpy change for the dissolution of NaCl in kJ or kilojoules per mole. So dahil mina-mention dito yung enthalpy change, our formula here is enthalpy change of Rxn, which is reaction of moles. Yan. Ngayon, ang kanyang ang enthalpy change of H reaction and equivalent siya sa Q Rxn over N, which is ito ay number of moles. Ngayon, our Q reaction in element is equivalent to negative QH2O. Bakit negative? Since sa makikita natin dito, ang temperature natin ay nag-increase. Paano ma-determine kung nag-increase yung temperature? If makikita mo yung final temperature from the solution, given dito na sinabi dito that temperature increases, means if the temperature increases, meaning the enthalpy change is negative. That means siya ay exothermic. Naglalabas siya. So dahil siya ay equal, itong negative H2O naman, equal siya sa Q or MCAT. Okay? Ngayon, punta naman tayo doon sa solving. So, firstly, solve muna natin yung sa H2O. So, we have here, or Q, kunin natin value ng Q, which is Q is equals to, ang given natin ay, so, ang given natin is 500 ml. Bakit 500 ml? Pwede natin siyang baguhin into grams. Why? Because 1 ml is equivalent to 1 grams. Okay? Take note. Next is the specific heat capacity of water, which is 4.184 joules, grams, Celsius. Okay? The next is our temperature. So, ang temperature natin dito, our final temperature is 40.8 degrees Celsius. Minus, our initial temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Yan, solve natin. So, our heat, pwede natin siyang idirekta na mismo, which is 500 grams times 4.184 and then 40.8 minus 35. So, we have 12,000.1 and then 133.6. Don't forget to cancel out the symbols here. So, we have Celsius. So, ito cancel out yung mga Celsius dyan. So, we have here natira is joules. So, that is our heat. Okay? Now, let's talk about naman doon sa value nung, remember, dahil nga ang ating Q, H2O, is negative, meaning, our value here is negative 133.6 joules. Okay? Ngayon, jump tayo sa ating stoic. So, remember, ang value ng ano natin is, set aside muna natin, our value of Q, QRXN, Q reaction to number of moles, is negative 33.6 joules. Ngayon, meron tayong 20 grams of NaCl, or sodium chloride. Kukunin natin ang mole niya, which is, tignan natin sa periodic table, 1 mole. Yan. So, NaCl. So, value ng ating NaCl is 22.990 plus our chlorine can be found here, which is 35.45. Ngayon, i-add natin siya. 22.990 plus 35.45 is equivalent to 58.44. So, that is our NaCl. Yan yung bigat niya. 0.44 grams. Okay? So, di-divide natin siya into 20 grams. So, 20 grams, 58.40, 48, I think that's 48. No, 44 pala. Sorry. Okay. 44. We have here 0.3422 mole of NaCl. Okay? Now, ang ating enthalpy change reaction is equivalent to QRXN over, negative siya, remember? And then, ating N or mole. So, we have here negative 12 133.6. But wait, napansin nyo, joules pa siya. So, i-convert natin siya into kilojoules. Since ang hinihingi sa atin is, ano daw siya in kilojoules per mole. So, ang kilojoules per mole niya, wait lang muna, negative 12, 133.6, times natin siya in 1 kilojoules is equivalent to 1,000 joules. Ngayon, di-divide lang natin siya. So, negative 12, 133.6 divided by 1,000 joules. We have our kilojoules na. So, 12.11336 over the number of moles of our NaCl, which is 0.3422 mole. This is kilojoules now. Ngayon, solve natin siya. So, our enthalpy change, negative 12.133.6 divided by 0.3422. Nagkakamali sa sign. Yan. We have now negative 35.46. Niround up natin siya from the nearest tens. Okay? That is our kilojoules per mole. Yan ang ating sagot. That is the enthalpy change.